Seal-O-Tyre TravelSafe Pro Car Kit is an innovative mobility kit for your tubeless tires. Take out the TravelSafe Pro Kit from the vehicle trunk. Open the valve cap. Open the valve core using the valve core opener. Shake the Sealotyre sealant bottle well. Now tighten the yellow cap on the sealant bottle. Mount the sealant bottle on the V slot provided in the inflator. Connect the inflator pipe to the open input nozzle provided in the yellow cap. Fix the yellow cap output pipe on the tire valve body. Connect the inflator plug to the 12V DC power output provided in the car. Now start the car. Switch on the inflator and run it for 3 minutes to fill the sealant. Switch off the inflator and remove the inflator pipe from yellow cap. Remove the yellow cap from the sealant bottle. Remove the pipe of the yellow cap from tire valve body. Tighten the valve core on the valve body provided in the tire. Fix the inflator pipe on the valve body of the tire and switch on the inflator to fill the air till 30 psi. Switch off the inflator and remove its plug from the power source after running the vehicle for 3 to 5 kilometers. This sealant will now form a layer inside the tire. When a puncture occurs, the air pressure inside the tire pushes the sealant towards the puncture site. The gel instantly fills the hole and creates a flexible plug. This prevents air leakage, allowing the tire to maintain pressure. Check the tire pressure with an inflator. If it's below 30 psi, add more air.